Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. In today's video I have a review video of the Loreal Shake Glow setting spray. I'm going to talk about the application, the purpose, the results and so much more regarding this setting spray. So definitely stick around till the end of this video. And before I start, if you're new here, then hi, my name is Rahma and I do men's fashion and beauty videos. So if you like this kind of stuff, then definitely please make sure you are subscribed to my channel to don't miss on videos like these. So firstly, what is this product? So this is from L'Oreal and it is the Shake Glow Spray Illuminating Detente Luminous Setting Spray. 24 hours dehydration, no, 24 hours hydration. This was the French word, pardon me. All of the products sometimes has the French writing, so it's a little bit confusing if you want to read it out on a video like this. So what is the main purpose of this? So it's a Shake and Glow setting spray. So I'm just on the website and let's see what is this all about. And also this is not the first impression. This is a review video regarding this. I have used it for good 2 months, and I don't know if the camera is picking it up. I am almost half, not half, like I used 2/3, like I used that much and I have still this much left, which is surprisingly quite a lot considering I have used this constantly in the 3 months every single day. Now 5 days a week, I guess. So if you have dull skin and you need a fix, time to get your glow on. Introducing the new Shake Glow Luminous Setting Spray, the new makeup bag essential. Get a healthy glowing complexion in an instant for up to 24 hours. Our new glowing skin formula contains coconut water and glycerin for long-lasting hydration and an instant cooling sensation. Infused with vitamin E to help protect, care and condition skin. Skin-loving formula that make you feel good and look as you feel and love. Hang on. Let's read this once again because of course I'm not making any sense in here. So skin loving formula that make you feel good and look as if you just fell in love. Prime, set and refresh. Now you are ready to glow. So basically this is like a setting spray. Completely honest, it's a setting spray. After you use your makeup, or maybe even before makeup application, or maybe if you don't even want to wear makeup, you can use it to just get a nice skin glow. And I have been using this honestly after I've done my quick men's makeup routine. Brows, concealer, foundation, powder, and I have used this spray. Very easy. Also, quick disclaimer, I am not a dermatologist, so in terms of the ingredients, it does have coconut water, it has a glycerin which are amazing for hydration, and it has vitamin E which is there to protect, help and condition the skin, which are very nice ingredients. And let's quickly read the ingredients on the bottle. It has water, of course, glycerin is another thing it has. It's got alcohol. Maybe the alcohol is not that great because of course alcohol is drying. So if alcohol is drying, then why does it have coconut water in order to make have a balance? I don't know. The alcohol kind of puts me off, not gonna lie. I've just seen it now, to be honest. And what else do we have? So it's got the coconut fruit juice. It's got vitamin E, it's got citric acid, sodium, it's got fragrance. Again, I'm not a huge kind of lover or hater of fragrance. I don't mind, to be honest. I don't break out, but I know that some people don't like fragrance on their products. Is it raining? No, it's not. But anyways, so yeah, the alcohol actually is kind of just put me off. However, it's not drying on my skin. So as I said, I've been using this after I've done a quick makeup routine, and I'm gonna do some or insert some clips for you guys so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I have actually dry skin, so my skin is normally dry, and when I do my makeup my skin looks very matte and kinda on the dry side. That's why I use like glowing foundations or glowing products in order to have a nice balance or a nice contrast. So what I did, of course, I used the Shake and Glow. So after my my makeup application, you have to shake this in order to kind of, I guess, to mix the products together or something like that. It does say to shake well before application. So shake well and hold at least 15 centimeters away and spray. Ensure eyes and mouth are closed. Do not inhale in case of contact with eyes. Rinse immediately and use before after makeup or throughout the day. So after my quick makeup, I used 1, 2, 3 sprays of this product and my skin instantly glowing. I don't know what this has. Of course, it's a Shake and Glow product. It's like a luminous setting spray. It gives you an instant glow. You guys can see it in the video and the cutaway that I'm gonna do. It gave me this this beautiful instant glow, which I love so much. Not only gives you this a nice glow, it also sets the makeup that you have applied, and it also hydrates the skin. It's like a toner, it's like a setting spray, and it's also like a glowing, beautiful spray that will last, honestly, a long time throughout the day. Of course, foundation will smudge a little bit throughout the day, or your concealer will smudge, will move around. It's not like a lock-in kind of kind of locking, kind of glue spray. However, it does give you a nice, lovely glow, which I love so much, and I love it. The scent, it has a very lovely kind of scent, like a makeup setting kind of sprays, not like typically rosy or vanilla-y scents, not the fragrance. It does have like a lovely scent. I like it, and of course the scent will fade away once you have sprayed it. And it's like a, basically it does have a nice luminous effect. It gives you a nice sheen, a nice glow. And don't worry, people with oily skin, it doesn't like give you a grease or something like that. So yeah, I've been using this constantly after my makeup, and I love it so much. It didn't break me out, it didn't give me any redness. It actually helped with hydration my skin, helped to lock in the foundation, helped to give my skin a nice complexion, which I'm all about. And yeah, I love it. I actually really love it. I've been using this for good 3 months, and yeah, I have still so much left, and it's a very nice, lovely spray as well. Like, the application is very easy to use. You just have to shake it and spray, and you're off to go. And let's talk about the price of this bottle. It retails for £9.99. So £10, and you get 100 ml. And honestly, sometimes you'll find these on offers on Boots website, on Boots stores. So definitely keep an eye on that. And I think £9 or £10 is a very good price, considering it does a lot of things. It's like a setting spray, it's like a lock-in spray, like a glue spray on your face, and also it's like a toner spray, I would say. It's not a necessarily toner, but it kind of acts like a toner, if you get what I mean. Like, if you want to use it before your makeup application, use this and it will lock in your makeup as well and give you a nice glow. Or if you don't want to use any makeup, use this and it still gives you a nice, lovely glow. So as I said, it retails for £10 and you get 100 ml. It will last you for a long time, and definitely keep an eye on those offers, because I'm sure these will go on sale or on some kind of offers, something like that. And it is L'Oreal. You guys know I love L'Oreal products. I admire the products so much. I have used so many things. Of course, I am not disappointed with this product either. And also on the Boots website, it has a 4.5 out of 5 stars. So it is a product which is really popular by everyone. So I'm guessing this is definitely a winner. And of course, one thing I wanted to mention, and thank God I remember it, it does compete with like luxury setting sprays, like not like luxury, like I mean high-end setting sprays such as Urban Decay. What else kind of setting sprays are there? And I see that's the thing, I'm not someone who uses setting sprays. Like, this is not a necessity, you don't need this. But if you want something, for example, if your makeup is kind of fading away, or if you have dry skin, or if you have just skin that uses makeup and the makeup application looks very like dry, very lackluster, and very like creased, then I think this product might be helpful, because it gives you a nice instant glow, a nice like luminous effect on your face. So these are the things I wanted to share with you guys regarding this product. I feel like I have blubbered and jabbled regarding this so much, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. And definitely follow me on my Instagram at Rahma, where I always post mini reviews, fashion hauls, and more content that I don't post here on YouTube. Definitely click that subscribe button and don't miss out on videos like these. Do let me know if you guys have any more kind of video suggestions. Just let me know down below in the comments, or just DM me on my Instagram. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.